Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12. Register for Stellar Talent Search exam for class 7 to 12. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12. We have study centers at Margao, Vasco and Porvorim.
बीजेपी सुडाचे राजकारण करता काँग्रेसीक सामकेच सोपोंक उठल्यात. अकाउंट फ्रीज केलो. वेंचणूक लढोवपाचे सोडा उबे लेगीत रावपाक दिनात. बीजेपीक ई बॉन्डाचो लाव. राहुल गांधी, सोनिया गांधी आणि मल्लिकार्जुन खरगे काँग्रेसी कडेन पैसे ना म्हूण सांगता.
Funds collected from the public are being frozen and money from our accounts is being taken away forcibly. The electoral bonds have benefited, as everyone knows, the BJP hugely, massively.
काँग्रेस अध्यक्ष खरगे म्हणटा वेंचणूक निपक्षपाती जावंक जाय जाल्यार काँग्रेसीचे फ्रीज केल्ली बँक खाती उक्ती करची.
और अंत में मैं देश के संवैधानिक संस्थाओं से अपील करता हूं कि अगर वो फ्री एंड फेयर इलेक्शन चाहते हैं तो हमारी पार्टी को बगैर किसी रोक टोक से बैंक अकाउंट्स का इस्तेमाल करने दे और जो इनकम टैक्स का क्लेम है वो अंततः कोर्ट के निर्णय के अनुसार सेटल हो जाएगा.
पंतप्रधान घरमंत्र्याकडच्यान सुडाचे राजकारण राहुल गांधीचो आरोप.
All our bank accounts have been frozen. We can do no campaign work. We cannot support our workers. We cannot support our candidates. Our leaders cannot fly from one part of the country to the other. Forget fly. They can't take a railway train. And this has been done literally 2 months before the election campaign. We are unable to get slots for advertising. We are unable to put ads in newspapers. And so what sort of a democracy is this? This is a criminal action on the Congress party. And it's a criminal action done by the Prime Minister and the Home Minister. It's very clear.
Bureau Report, Prudent.